Alpha G is an experiment to try to determine how antimatter behaves in the gravitational field of the Earth. We're all about trapping neutral anti-atoms to do our spectroscopy experiment. We just turned that on its head, so we have a vertical antihydrogen trap, and we're going to release the trapped anti-atoms and see which way they go. Now, most theories predict they just fall like normal gravity, but there are a few theorists who have actually predicted that there could be repulsive gravity. This is by no means the mainstream. The whole kind of motivation of this is, where the hell is the antimatter, right, that should have been produced in the Big Bang? No one has a good answer to that, so we're doing all the experimental tests we can to see if there's something we haven't understood. There are actually 3 separate antihydrogen trapping regions in there, and right now we're using the bottom one. It's not about having a long way for it to go, it's just about releasing it carefully and see where it annihilates. What you're looking for is a difference in the distribution of the particles that go up and down. And if it were a solid mass, it would go either up or down. But since it's kind of a cloud, it's expanding as you release it. There's some percentage to go either way, depending on which way the gravity is pointing. The next step would be, is it the same magnitude, right? Is it 9.8 meters per second squared, which is the acceleration of gravity here at the surface of the Earth? We call up and down, and then magnitude of G bar, right? The antihydrogen, is it the same? If you can make antihydrogen colder, your whole life gets easier, both on the spectroscopy aspects. It's much more precise to do measurements on cold atoms than on hot ones. And by the way, cold here is already half a degree Kelvin just to make it and catch it. So it starts out pretty cold, but we're talking about going even further to sort of 10 millikelvin to be able to do precise experiments. So we actually demonstrated that with a pulse laser that's built in a collaboration. If you want to drop some antimatter, the colder it is, the more sensitive it'll be to gravity. So for this next precision phase of alpha G, laser cooling will be a really important thing.